Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Toyota Sienna wiper blades. Replacing your wiper blades is a simple task that improves visibility and safety. First, gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield. To protect your glass, place a soft towel underneath the arm. Some newer Sienna models may require activating a special service position for the wipers before lifting them. Now let's remove the old blade. Look closely at where the wiper blade connects to the arm. You'll find a small release tab or clip. Gently press or pry this tab to unlock the blade. Once released, slide the entire wiper blade downwards, away from the J-hook on the arm. It might require a little wiggle, but it should come off easily. With the old blade removed, it's time for the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the J-hook on the wiper arm. Slide the blade upward onto the arm until you hear a distinct click. This sound confirms that the blade is securely locked into place. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it's firmly attached. Finally, carefully lower the wiper arm back onto your windshield. Remove any protective towels. Turn on your vehicle and test the new blades using your windshield washer fluid to ensure they operate smoothly and clear the glass effectively. For best results, always replace both front wiper blades at the same time. This simple maintenance ensures clear visibility for safe driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.